Welcome! If you want to activate Quick Launch into a Samsung Galaxy A10, first of all go into Settings and then find Accessibility option, this one, and here go into Advanced Settings. And now on the top we got two options about Quick Launch, so it's Power key and Volume up key, and Volume up key and down key. So let's try to install, for example, Power key and Volume up some options. So for example, color inversion. And now when we click Power key and Volume up together, color is inversion. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.